AcePhysics.org, Math and Physics Tutoring with Dr. Hudis.
I got my physics GRE test score back today, and I was very disappointed. I called on the phone and they said that I got a 750, 69th percentile. And when I left the test, I really thought that I did much better than that. I'm really very disappointed right now. I think frustrated. I think I answered 87 questions, and I felt I knew most of them. So I'm very disappointed right now. I'm going to take the test again. I have to take it again. I have to do well next time. I really was expecting to get in the 900 range.
Well, I got my physics GRE score back, and there you see the dates: 4/20/2013, 10/13/2013. I got a 920, which was an 89th percentile. I'm satisfied with that score. I was actually expecting to get a little bit higher, but I'm not disappointed. I worked hard, and that's how it turns out. I take my hat off to anyone who gets a 990. They said that I missed 10 questions, so oh well, at least I got 90 of them correct.
Dr. Jacob Hudis. If you need math or physics tutoring, please go to my website, AcePhysics.org, and book a lesson.
The first year in physics graduate school is really hard. I've been told it's one of the hardest years. However, I've only completed the first year, so I don't have future years to compare it to. About 65% of the students who enter a physics PhD program will graduate. Another way to say that is, for any given entering physics PhD class, about 35% of the students will drop out or be kicked out. You can get kicked out if you don't maintain a minimum 3.0 GPA, if you don't pass the qualifying exams, or if you don't make adequate progress towards your research. The first year in physics graduate school is different in subsequent years because the full focus is on coursework. In the first year, there are 6 core graduate classes that are required, and those are mechanics, statistical mechanics, electrodynamics A, electrodynamics B, quantum mechanics A, and quantum mechanics B. The classes are very challenging because they give a lot of work and they require an extremely strong foundation in undergraduate physics. Each class has roughly 10 homework assignments per semester, 2 midterms, and 1 final exam. So over the course of the year, there are 60 homework assignments, 12 midterms, and 3 final exams. In addition to the classwork, you have to be a TA. A TA stands for teaching assistant, and what that means is each graduate student has to teach an undergraduate physics class. I taught 2 undergraduate physics labs per semester. Each lab had 25 students and met for 3 hours each. That's 6 hours a week teaching and then 3 hours preparing for the lab. And then I had to grade 50 labs because there were 2 sections of 25 students every week and return the labs every week. So the workload each week was very consistent. There were 3 homework assignments, 1 for each class, due per week. Each homework took about 10 hours. Sometimes they took 15 or even 20, but on average, each homework assignment took 10 hours. So there's 30 hours a week working on homework. And then the TA work, and the TA work is about 15 hours per week. There you have to go to lectures, and there's about 10 hours a week of lectures, and then exams. And the exams come up roughly once every 2 weeks. And I studied a lot for exams. I can't put a certain time amount on it, probably 8 to 10 hours for every test, but there was a lot of studying for the exams.